Hello friends, Merry Christmas to you. Today I got this toy from Santa Claus. Santa Claus bought it for Wilco blocks and it's 10 in 1, whatever you like. There is a tank, there is also a helicopter, there is a boat, there is the house, there is a car, there is an aeroplane, there is anything you like. Or it tells like some funny things on it. Can I read this for you? Don't scratch my new tag. That is so funny. And it also tells this is a real prize, but it's not real. It's just a fake toy. Now let's do this aeroplane crashing. The aeroplane is taking fuel in the airport. But it's just fake. It's taking fuel so aeroplane can fly proper. But UK to Thailand is going to crash it. But what is that? Pilots are strong in the aeroplane. They save the people, okay? Now let's go to the aeroplane flying. Ready, set, go. Ready to fly. Fly to air. UK to Thailand. No. Fly. Shh. It's fly in the fake. Let's fly. UK to Thailand. UK to Thailand. Shh. No, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Boom. The wheel got broken and it crashed in 5 minutes. It crashed in the river and it's not real. I told you so many times. It's just fake. And this is my daddy room and that's check called wilco.com. And I hope you guys like the aeroplane crashing and I hope you find it and buy it. And bye. See you later.